morning, grade 2. How are you today? Today we will talk about the last lesson in this term, the solubility of different matters in water. Some matters are soluble in water, but the others are not. Do you think what are these matters? Let's do an experiment to show which matters are insoluble in water and which matters are soluble in water. Okay? The materials we need: 6 cups of different matters and water. We have sugar, salt, oil, sand, flour, and water. Let's start our experiment step by step to show what will happen with us today. Number 1, put equal amount of water in each cup. First cup, the sugar. Second cup, salt. Third one, the oil. Number 4, the sand. Finally, the flour. Okay. Second step, mix each matter with water by using a spoon. First cup, mix it well. Salt. Let's clean it well to complete. The oil. Clean it again to give us clear substances or clear solutions. Second cup, last cup. Oh, okay. Now, let's observe and record what happened in each cup. Okay? The first cup, the sugar. Can you see the sugar inside? Oh, I can't see the sugar inside. Why? Because it has dissolved in water. The sugar has dissolved in water. We can't see the sugar inside. What about the salt? Can you see the salt inside? Where is the salt? I can't see it. Why? It has dissolved in water. We can't see the salt inside. Can you see? Third cup. What about the oil? Oh, can you see where is the oil? The oil can't mix in water. or can't mix with the water. Can you see? We can see it on the surface of the water. It stays on the surface of the water. The yellow one, can you see? This one. So the oil cannot dissolve in water. What about the sand? Can you see the sand? Where is the sand? The sand cannot dissolve in water. The sand cannot dissolve in water. Can you see it? Where is the sand? Oh, it is in the bottom of the water. It gone to the bottom of the water. Can you see it? Down. It gone to the bottom of the water. So the sand dissolved in water? No, the sand can't dissolve in water. Last cup. What about the flour? Oh, we have white solution. Can you see it? The flour has dissolved in water? No, the flour can't dissolve in water. It gives us white solution. Can you see it? It's a white solution. Now, who can tell me what is our conclusion today? What is your conclusion? Oh, we have two types of matters. What are these? The sugar and salt are soluble in water. They are dissolved in water. So the matters which dissolve in water, like what? Like sugar and salt. But the others can't dissolve in water. The oil, sand, and flour are insoluble in water. They are not dissolved in water. So what are these substances? The oil, the flour, and sand. Can you see? It can't mix with water inside. Okay. If you understood me, answer with me this exercise. We have some matters. We have stones, salt, oil, sand, flour, and sugar. First one, who can tell me? Stones soluble in water or insoluble in water? Stones, yes, insoluble in water like the sand. Can you remember our experiment? The sand gone down to the bottom. So, yes, it's insoluble in water. What about the salt? The salt soluble in water or insoluble in water? The salt soluble in water, yes. Third one, what about the oil? Can you remember our experiment? What is the oil? Yes, it stays on the surface of the water. So the oil soluble in water or insoluble? The oil insoluble in water. Okay, number 4. What about the sand? Can you see the sand? Where is the sand? Gone to the bottom of the water. So, it's insoluble in water. What about the flour? It gives us white solution. So, it can dissolve in water or not? The flour, insoluble in water, yes. Last one, finally the sugar. Can you remember the sugar? What happened? Yeah, the sugar, soluble or insoluble? Can you see the sugar inside? Can you see the sugar inside? Where is the sugar? We can't see it. Why? Because it has dissolved in water. So sugar is soluble in water or insoluble? Sugar, soluble in water. Okay? We finished our lesson today. See you later, grade 2. Bye-bye.